This is going to be an unboxing video of my Tecsun DR-910 radio I got on eBay for about $21. I technically paid $11 because I got a $10 gift card with it. So an $11 radio, not that bad of a price. So this radio is worth about $20 on eBay. So what you get inside is the little antenna cable. Might keep that. I use it for another radio one day on my old one. Earbuds, which are kind of the cheaper variety. It's a right angle plug, that's kind of cool. And what else you get with it? I think that's all. There are no batteries are included. No batteries were included with this radio. I'm surprised. Yeah, no batteries were included with this radio. Any instructions in there? Oh, instructions! Let's see if I could get it out. I don't know. Let's see if I could get them out. Instructions! Yay! It's not that toilet paper type of instructions. It's like real glossy paper. It's not one of those cheap toilet paper type of papers. Use the telescopic antenna, on and off selector, and there's various controls on here. And there's sleep function. That's cool. So let's get into the radio itself. Whoops, already came with the plastic out. It's kind of weird. There's a radio itself. I already put batteries in it for making the video. Ooh, that looks kind of nice. The digital frequency. It's a digital world receiver. It says digital in it, but what's hidden is that it's a digital display. Let's see on the back. There's the antenna, which stands out to like 18 inches or 17 inches. 76 to 108. 525 to 1610. But there's a secret. It actually tunes up to 1710. But it could tune beyond 1710, which is kind of cool. There's the back of the radio. Serial number. Sticker. That's the DR-910 on here. Batteries. It takes 2 AA's. Compared to my old Tecsun, which takes 3 AA's. I might keep this radio. I'm not going to get rid of that, my Tecsun PL398BT. And this is the DR-910 itself. I should have got the 920, but oh well, I got the 910. It's good for the review. Tecsun. I love it has an embossed Tecsun logo, unlike my other one. My thing, it's not embossed, it's printed on the plastic. Instead of embossed, that's how they say money on this one. Speaker, it's about 1.5 inches maybe. This one's about 2 inches. Time. Yeah, that's not the correct time, so I have to set that up later. This one has speakers, and this one has a tuning dial, and this one also has a tuning dial. And right here is the volume. Oops. Got that stuck with my new radio. Oh my god. My old radio's getting stuck with the new one. Let's see. Side-by-side comparison. Wow, that is a lot smaller. Yeah, this Tecsun is a lot bigger. At least it has good AM. But this one, the AM on here is awesome. I love this radio. This radio, however, is not the best on AM. I could get 750 WSB and fairly faint 1260 WNO for Chattanooga, Tennessee. So it picks up my semis, but I haven't tried 790 yet. But right here, the buttons is the time, I think, set. No, I think that's the alarm. So you could set the time. I don't know what the heck time is it. 14:03, so it's 2:03 AM. So if you hit this button here, it's gonna be 2:03. I'll say 2:04. Oh well. That's good. And all these buttons are in Chinese, but I know how to use this radio by now because I've used it before. Like, I've used it a little while when I got it. Like, probably an hour before I got it. So, there's the power button. Quality of molding is not nearly as good. Yeah, quality of plastic is not great, but for $11, I'm not complaining. There's the antenna. Sweet. And bottom, there's nothing. On the side, there's a power button. So let's turn this thing on. Make sure the volume's all the way down before I mess it up. It says FM, if you can see that. But this thing tunes all the way down to 75.4. You don't find that on the digital tuner. But it says the word digital. But as you can hear, turn the volume. I'll turn the volume a bit up. You hear that it's analog. Yeah, it's completely analog. Yeah, the FM is not nearly as good because it overloads a lot. That's the bad side of this radio. The FM is not nearly as good. AM is decent, but FM is not great. This is not meant for DXing on FM, but I'll use it for the FM anyways. It decently picks up some of my locals, but should I get Atlanta signal? Oh, that was loud. It tunes all the way up to 109.6. You don't find that on a digital tuner. Let's see how high it goes up on FM. Uh-oh, hearing buzzing. Goes up to 1751 on AM. See how low it goes on AM. 529. Yep. It's not the advertised 525. So, let's see if it picks up my Atlanta station. 750. See if it picks up 640. Kind of doubt I might receive it. Kind of doubt it.
Correct answer.
Well, I said my local. Yeah, daytime reception not nearly as great either. So yeah, it picks up WFLI on 1070. AM is not that great either. Yep, AM is not that great. That's right, even if I barely move it. Yep, AM is not great on this radio, but turn it up. There we go. Turn down my gain anything on shortwave. Yep, so yeah, nothing great. There is nothing. I got a shortwave station, but yeah, shortwave is hopeless on this. I might have to use the wire for the shortwave. Alright, I'm done with this radio. It's the AM is not that great, but it picks up. Let's see. My thoughts of this radio. This one, FM is somewhat okay. It's not great for DXing on FM, but AM, I give it a 1 star. It's not great on AM, like daytime. I haven't tried nighttime because it's not nighttime yet. So, daytime AM, not great. It needs to be improved on this radio, but for $11, I will not complain about the AM because I mostly use my PL390BT for the AM, so yeah, it's not that bad. I might use this in California, maybe. See what type of stations I might get. I'm not going to take this to Florida. I might take my old radio to Florida, but that's kind of good. But this radio is not great. Shortwave, it's not that great. Probably because I'm not using the wire that was included with the radio. But it might get good with the wire. Probably on the FM and shortwave. I might try that on the FM. See what type of stations I get and don't get with the old radio. So, this is actually an analog radio with a digital frequency counter, which it's not a very new thing. I think they're doing that since the 80s or 70s. So, that will be it.